that real team.
I'm fucked up, Molly burst, I'm tripping off the weed. I just fuck, flying high, that's where I wanna be. Yeah, through with this, fuck this shit, I'm tryna numb the pain. Hurting in my brain, can you feel my pain? I'm fucked up, Molly burst, I'm tripping off the weed. I just fuck, flying high, that's where I wanna be. Yeah, through with this, fuck this shit, I'm tryna numb the pain. Hurting in my brain, can you feel?
Yo, what's fucking good? I go by the name of Keem. Welcome to my channel, you feel me? All hair, everything, you feel me? Do me a favor, leave a like, comment, and fuck it. Do me a favor and please like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? I'm trying to grow my channel, support your boy.
Shut up!
You feel me? Today I'm going to show y'all how to get y'all, you feel me, line up, edge up, shape up, right? Do a little bit of, you feel me, a little bit of the beard. Feel me? I'm gonna have y'all looking. Trust me, I gotcha. All y'all need is 4 products, or no, 4 tools. 4 tools. Comb. One of these combs. Any regular comb that looks like this or whatever. Need some shaving cream. Any regular shaving cream from the dollar store. A blade. And this is optional, you feel me? If you want your real like crisp lineup, then I suggest you use, you feel me, a blade, you feel me? Because this, but it's kind of dangerous, so you might want to just not use that and get your skills up first, feel me, with the trimmer, and then move up to the blade. But this is the main tool you need. You feel me? You need a trimmer. Any regular trimmer is fine. You feel me? It just has to be a working trimmer. Honestly, this trimmer is not even all that great. It's honestly not even very, I don't know if it's gonna focus, but it's not even that sharp, to be honest. But I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna do what I gotta do. You feel me? You gonna see. I don't see, but yeah, man, that's all y'all need, you feel me? So, come along with me. I'm gonna show y'all step by step. Let's go.
Alright, what's up, guys? So, first things off, all you need is the comb down your hairline, comb down every inch, make sure the hairs are straight, make sure they're going everywhere you want it to go. Get your beard, sideburns, comb all around. Just have a mental note of where you want to start off. Usually you start off in the middle of your hairline and then work to the edges. But honestly, you can start off wherever you want. But I usually start off in the middle. So here I am, starting from the middle. Make your first line, and then you just follow it out. And you can go over the same line if you want to as well. I mean, my trimmers aren't that sharp. That's why I'm going over the line a couple times. But if you have a sharper trimmer, then you won't even have to do that. Maybe like 1 or 2 taps would be fine. But here I am working from the middle to the outer edges. Trying to stay as straight as possible. Keep the line as straight as possible. The corners are probably the hardest part to do, but you just have to keep attacking the corners. Now, to the sides. What you want to do is you want to use one finger to pull the skin away from where the trimmer is going to go. That way you can really get that line sharp. So you just pull the skin away from the line, and then you hit it with the trimmer. You just tap it. Then I'm going to do the same thing. Hold on. comb down. And you should be combing all throughout trimming your hair, because it just helps to just keep the hairs all where you want it to go, and so you can see the line properly. So you pull the skin away, you just tap the edges gently. The more dull your trimmer is, the more you're gonna have to go over the line. Just make sure everything looks, somewhat presentable. Hey, I'm turning up over here. Make sure to have fun. You gotta have fun. All right, now moving on to my sideburns. Like I said before, pull the skin away and tap it with the trimmer little by little, and comb down whenever you need to, just so you can see the line better. Now the other side of the sideburns. See, this side is kind of hard for me to pull the skin away and hit it with the trimmer, because I had to use my other hand for the mirror because I couldn't see that side. So I'm just doing as best as I can, try to create a straight of a line as possible with what I have. But honestly, it doesn't have to look that great. As long as it looks, somewhat decent, it's fine. That looks fine right there. Put it with the comb a few times, go over the line a few times if you need to. Hey, whoa, okay. I don't even know what I was listening to, but I was turned up. Okay. Alright, so now we're just going back to clean up my face, get those little hairs, the little hairs that you can't see. Now we switch to the other side. See, doing this was very hard for me because it was hard for me to see what I'm doing, but at the same time hold the mirror and then hit the line. Like, this is very, very difficult. You gotta give me some props for this. I was juggling a lot of different things at once. But you just gotta practice more. The more you practice, the better you're gonna get. And just get to it, man. Now here I am about to hit the back. Again, I can't pull the skin back, so just do the best you can with whatever you can see, and try to angle the mirror as best as possible so you can see what you're doing. You don't fuck yourself up. Don't have yourself out here looking crazy, man. Come on, man. Pay attention. It's like, yeah, I'm listening to music. I'm in my zone. I'm vibing right now, but I'm still paying attention. Now I'm hitting my mustache. Make sure you gotta hit the mustache, because everything is gonna look better when every single piece is just, comes together well. You could just lightly tap your mustache. You don't really gotta do much. The razor is usually what I use for the mustache, but just to show y'all how you can do it also with the trimmer.
Cause you're fucking ugly.
Alright, now we're headed to do the back. The back is pretty much the same thing as the front. Just, try to pull the skin down a little bit and try to tap the line as best as you can. And comb down when need be. Again, my trimmer is not that great. It's honestly very dull. So I'm just doing the best I can with what I have. And I don't ever use the razor on the back. I just mostly use the trimmer because I get bumps. I get razor bumps on the back of my neck. So I never use the razor on the back of my neck, mostly just the trimmer. So honestly, just do the best you can, pull the skin down, try to get as straight of a line as possible, and just comb down whenever need be, like you see me doing here. Comb down. I kind of have like a V hairline in the back, because that's how I like my hairline. You know what I mean? I don't really like it rounded off. I just do it like that, like a V. You feel me? It looks cool to me. You know what I mean? It looks unique, so I just keep going like that. You can do however you want, whatever style you like that suits you. You can do whatever you want, but this is what I like. This is what looks best on me, so this is what I do for me. But you can do whatever you want. Just trying as best as I can to get the back sharp. Honestly, it doesn't have to be super duper sharp, but do what you can do. Mostly this is about practice. The more you practice, the
Alright, so basically y'all seen what I did, you feel me? I basically got all this. See? I know y'all see. You feel me? Not too bad, not too bad. With just trimmer and a comb. That's all you need is a trimmer and a comb, really. You feel me? But if you really want to get that real sharp, that real ting. You feel me? Precise lineup for my advanced guys. The next level is the blade and the shaving cream. This is only for my advanced people though. Please do not, if you do not have skill, if you don't have a steady hand, please do not try to play around with a razor. It is dangerous, you may hurt yourself. I will not be liable. Listen.
It's really not my fucking problem.
I'm bored up, Molly burst, I'm tripping off the weed. High as fuck.